Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. I'm coming over here with a new video. There is a walk-in interview is going to be happen in HCL. I will tell you the date. What is the date? When should you go for the interview in Lucknow location? I'm talking about. Okay, but before that, I will tell you the eligibility of this particular role. The eligibility is like you have to be a fresher. This is not for the experienced candidate vacancy. This is only for the fresher, and the degree which is required over here, at least you have a BA, BCom, BSc, not a BTech, MTech, BCA. It's not required over here, to be very frank. It's clearly mentioned in a description. So first I'm telling you, okay, if you are BA, BCom, BSc, these kind of degrees that you have, like a non-technical degrees, so you can directly reach to the office. I will tell you the date, what will be the date of the interview, and what kind of work culture, what kind of work basically over there. The work is like you will have to be support kind of work you will have to follow. Okay, all kind of training is going to be given by the organization, so you don't have to be worried for that. The date of the interview is 28th of August basically. Okay, till 28th of August you will have to reach to the office with two resume, one Aadhaar card. Okay, and that's it basically. In initial, that's it. This is what you have to keep in your hand and go for the interview. Best of luck from my side. HCL Tech Lucknow campus, 28th of August is going to be interview. Thank you. If you have any kind of question, confusion, you can ask me. Kindly follow my channel because I'm uploading a regular basis job related contents. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.